Hey traders, Greg here. Some crazy action today and it's continuing overnight. As you can see, that's what happened near the end of the day and started to recover. And now this action here, I believe it's related to Apple. Um, let's stay here for a second and see where it is. We'll see where it is tomorrow. There's that unfilled gap up above. And so far it's still within yesterday's range. Just a big mess going on here on the daily chart. Um, Apple dropped, after hours. It was dropping when it reported, and then here at 17:20, it rips higher, and that's when the Qs rip higher. And you can see it's going to open up near this congestion area. You can see that's down the 65-minute chart where it's at. So a lot of whipsaws still going on. Spiders did a similar price action, on that, I would assume on that news. I haven't checked news yet. Anyway, you see it's up here and it's within the range. Just continued mess. And then when the futures opened up, they gapped higher, but that's gapping, within the range. And we'll see where that is tomorrow. Maybe it goes up here to fill the gap. And all of this mess that's going on, we'll see how it plays out. It's just an unknown when things are messy like this. And so the S&P's gapped up. This looks actually better if it holds on to the gain. It's got a bit more room to go higher. We'll see if that's in the cards. The Dow also collapsed and then whipped back up again. That's not doing too much. So the price action has just been really wild. If you don't have your automated stops in, you're going to get killed. Probably sell the low or, we'll see. Not S&P, Russell futures here still consolidating. I think if they can recover, and they're doing nothing here, but if they can take out these highs, I think they got the best opportunity to do something. KRE, that whipped around as well. Kind of neutral. It's not doing anything. Everything collapsed there. At that moment, someone said there was some news going on. Anyway, semiconductors trying to hold their own and recover. Bonds, we talked about this head and shoulders bottom and whether it would move up or not. They're still just sitting here doing nothing. Transports didn't have a good day. They broke down under here, so that is a negative for the broader markets. And as we're doing this, we'll do it again tomorrow morning. Crude oil is beginning to take hold here at this support. Gold, there was some news that a friend of Dan, an active trader, said something's going on in the gold markets and possibly someone is going to default. He's going to send us some more information on that, which I haven't done yet, but it looks like it's playing out what he explained to us. And that could be something serious going on there. And silver, that had a monster day as well. So markets are pretty crazy. Get your stops in. Let them trigger automatically. Don't second guess it. Don't get killed. Don't assume things are going to come back. Because one of these days, of course, they're going to continue to go lower for some period of time before they stabilize, and you don't want to get caught in that kind of thing. As always, if you have questions, email us, Greg and Dan at Master Trader.